Hi, my name is Dwayne Noble. This is my wife Jackie Noble, and we are building a house with Shaw Homes. We're building the model Ventana Q. The best part so far has been touring the homes.
And I've enjoyed touring the homes and seeing the possibilities, and then working with Shelley, the design consultant, to pick out all the beautiful things that can go in my custom home.
For me, what sets Shaw Homes apart from other builders is the wide selection of products that can go in your home to make it uniquely yours. My advice to someone who is looking to build a custom home would be to take a tour of all the Shaw Homes and compare that to other builders' homes.
And when you go into other builders' homes and compare with Shaw, you'll automatically see the craftsmanship and the quality of what they put in their homes.